Students, welcome to our physics class. Today we are going to discuss some numericals. A woman numerical. A woman. A woman starts from her home, from her home at 9 a.m. walks with a speed of 5 kilometers per hour on straight road. On straight road. Up to her on straight road, up to her office, up to her office. Up to her office. 2.5 kilometers away. Stays at the office. Up to 5 p.m. 5 p.m. is evening, 5 o'clock. And returns home by an auto with a speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Choose suitable scale and plot the x t graph of her motion motion. Once again, I am repeating the question. A woman starts from her home at 9 a.m., walks with a speed of 5 kilometers per hour on straight road up to her office. Office 2.5 kilometers away. Stays at the office up to evening 5 o'clock and returns to home by an auto with a speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Choose suitable scale and plot the x means displacement or position, t means time, graph of her motion. This is the question. My dear students, please observe this graph. On x-axis we took time. On x-axis we took time. On y-axis we took the position or displacement. The displacement is 0.5 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 2.5 kilometer, 3 kilometer. On x-axis we took the time 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. Now this is 5.06 p.m. This is 9 a.m. This is exactly 1 o'clock. Now this is the graph given by the examiner. Here it is 2.5. This is 2.5. This is 2.5. We have to remember. This is the graph given by the examiner. Now go for a solution. The time taken. The time taken in reaching the time taken in reaching the office. What is the formula? Distance by speed. Distance by speed. How this formula came? Now see, speed is equal to distance by time. That implies time is equal to distance by speed. Here the time taken is equal to distance whole by speed. The formula came like that. I hope you understood. So what is that one? That is equal to 2.5 whole by 5. That is equal to 0.5 hour. 0.5 hour. That means the time taken to reach the office is equal to 0.5 hour. 0.5 hour means how much? 30 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Half hour means 30 minutes. Now next, time taken in returning. Time taken in returning from office. Is equal, what is the formula? Once again same formula. Distance whole by speed. What is distance? The distance is equal to 2.5 and 25. How much we will get? 0.1 hour. 0.1 hour means 0.6 minutes. We have to remember this point. How much time? 0.6 minutes. Okay, that means what is the time taken exactly? 5.1 hour or 5.06 p.m. Okay, so what we understood from this one? It means the woman reaches the office at 9.30 a.m. 9.30 a.m. and return home at 5.06 p.m. Okay, this is about the numerical. Tell me, what is the conclusion we got? It means the woman reaches the office exactly at 9.30 a.m. and returns home at 5.06 p.m. Now, another question or numerical. A drunkard, a drunkard walking. A drunkard walking in a narrow line. Takes 5 steps. Takes 5 steps forward. 5 steps forward and 3 steps. 3 steps backward. 3 steps backward and so on. And so on. And so on. Each step each step is 1 meter. This is important. Each step is 1 meter long. 1 meter long and requires 1 second. Requires 1 second. Full stop. Determine how long the drunkard takes to to falls in a pit 13 meters away 13 meters away from the start. This is also important. 13 meters away from the start. Once again, I am repeating the question. A drunkard walking in a narrow lane takes 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward and so on. Each step is 1 meter long and required 1 second. Full stop. Determine how long the drunkard takes to pass in a pit. That means he fell down in a pit 13 meters away from the start. This is the question. Now go for solution. Go for solution. The effective distance distance traveled by drunkard in 8 steps 8 steps is equal to how much? 5 minus 3. 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. That is equal to 2 meters, because each step carries 1 meter. 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward gives 2 meters. That means to travel 2 meters of 8 steps, how much he will take? He will take 32 steps. That means, what is the meaning for that one? The meaning is he takes 32 steps 32 steps to move 8 meters 8 meters now he will have to cover 5 meters 5 meters more 5 meters more to reach the pit, to reach the pit, for which for which he has to take only 5 forward steps. 5 forward steps. Therefore, he will have to take 32 plus 5 forward, that is equal to 5, that is called 37 steps. 37 steps to move 13 meters. To move 13 meters. Thus he will fall into the pit. After taking 37 steps. 37 steps. That is after 37 seconds. 37 seconds from the start. From the start. Once again, I am repeating the content. The effective distance traveled by the drunkard in 8 steps. 8 steps means 5 steps forward, 3 steps backward. Therefore, 5 minus 3 gives 2 meters distance he traveled because of 8 steps. Okay, now he takes 32 steps to move 8 meters. That means to travel 32 steps, he takes 32 steps to move 8 meters. That means 8 meters journey करने के लिए how much steps he will take? He will take 32 steps. Now he will have to cover 5 meters more to reach the pit, for which he has to take only 5 forward steps. Therefore, he will have to take 32 plus 5 is equal to 37 steps to move 13 meters. Thus, he will fall into the pit. After taking 37 steps, that is after 37 seconds from the start. This is about this numerical. This is important numerical. I hope you understood. Please practice at your home.